Phil Spencer, the household chef, and today we're going a little Japanese and Italian. I call this a creamy shishito chicken pasta. Now I've made this sauce before, it's wonderful in pasta, but then I thought if you just added some shrimp or some chicken to this, it would be just amazing. A very simple sauce to make, and of course I'll show you the ingredients list in this video, as well as you can go to my website, thehouseholdchef.com, where I'll list the full ingredients, as well as a simple step-by-step method to follow. It also links you to this video. And once the sauce is made, you could just blitz this all and make it into one big cream sauce. But I really like the textures and the mouthfeel and the way it just makes for a much more filling sauce. I have 2 cups of shishito peppers, which I just remove the stem, and then I thinly slice them, seeds and all, and set them aside. After slicing my shishitos, and you can see I've already prepared and minced my garlic and shallots, it's time to prepare the pasta water. So I season the pasta water with salt, and now it's also time to prep the chicken. I'm going to just season those with salt and pepper. Put them with a little bit of olive oil in a pan and cook them till golden brown. Heating the pan to a medium-high heat, and you can tell when the pan's ready when you add a little piece of onion and it starts to sizzle. Then it's time to add the chicken, and make sure you lay the chicken away from you so you don't get any splatter burns. I am browning the chicken on both sides, and then I will set it aside to rest. We are looking for an internal temperature of about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. After setting the chicken aside to rest, I did clean out the pan, removed the excess fat and the chicken bits that fawned in the pan, which you'll rarely see me do. But in this recipe we do want to do that. I've added a tablespoon of olive oil, the shallots, the garlic, and the shishitos. We're going to cook them till they're fragrant and softened, about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to continue to saute these, like I said, about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring them, and you do not want them to brown, so you may need to add a bit more olive oil from time to time to keep them nice and soft. And also keeping an eye on that pasta water. It is starting to boil, so it's time to add the pasta in there, doing a bit of multitasking. And we'll cook the pasta per the package directions, about 8 to 11 minutes, till al dente. I do stir the pasta in the water to make sure it doesn't stick, and I'll stick it a nice even cook on the pasta. And now it's going to be time to add the cream to our shishitos. So go ahead and pour the cream in and blend it all well together and bring it to a simmer. Also adding the cheese as we blend it together and bring it to a simmer. Sauce comes to a simmer, it's time to do the famous taste and season. Add the salt and pepper to your liking. And as the pasta is almost completed cooking, it's time to reserve half a cup of the pasta water, which we'll use a bit later. I did drain the pasta and put it back in the same pot, so I added a bit of the pasta water to help keep it moist. And as I was still simmering the shishitos, I did chop those chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces, which you don't see me doing here. And as I'm preparing to put it all together, I added a little bit more of the pasta water to moisten up the pasta. And I'm going to add the shishito sauce and then the chicken, and then we are all done. I'm to plate up, and I'll add a bit of Parmesan as a garnish. And that's about it. Try this with shrimp too. I think it would be awesome. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.